Are you ready to begin your journey into the world of aquatic fitness? Whether you're new to the pool, a trained lifeguard, or passionate about fitness, this program is the perfect place to start. Welcome to the Shallow and Deep Aquatic Fitness Certification Training Program, the entry-level program designed to help you launch your career in aquatic fitness. In this comprehensive course, you'll explore essential movements, techniques, and working positions tailored for both shallow and deep water environments. Through a combination of classroom theory and practical pool application, you'll gain the knowledge and skills needed to create a safe and effective aquafit class. You'll learn how to design inclusive workouts that focus on cardiovascular training, strength building, mobility, and overall fitness for a variety of ages and abilities. No prior experience is necessary. All you need is a passion for water, movement, and helping others reach their full potential. By the end of this program, you'll have the tools, techniques, and confidence to start your path towards becoming an effective and inspiring aquatic fitness leader. Get certified, get moving, make a difference.